Dale Jr., it's been a couple of weeks since you took ownership of your Silverado, and I know that, any true-blooded American man wants to know what this 2019 Silverado looks like and what's it drive like. Have you been enjoying it at all?
Is that really how you talk?
This had nothing to do about how I talk. It had to do about the facts of the situation.
Red-blooded American man.
Heck yeah, man.
He's trying to get a Silverado commercial. He's going to be the
and of course
today's Chevrolet.
Of course, that's the way I talk.
Yeah.
It is the way I talk.
Oh, you're trying
Mike
to get
Davis,
you're trying
like
to get
a
some
rock.
You're trying to get some VO work. Chevrolet.
Is that wasn't VO material?
Every red-blooded American male loves this car. Honestly, let's talk about that Silverado. I'm excited about this. So I've drove Chevrolets all my life, but I have not bought a truck in 10 years, 12 years. I have a red.
Big Red?
I have Big Red at the house. It's a 04 or an 06, but it's my truck. I bought it back then, brand new. I've had it ever since. I don't even think it got that many miles on it, but I'm thinking about selling it. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
train whistle too?
It's got a train horn, not a whistle.
No.
Yeah.
It's a horn. Difference.
I guess.
Big
I don't know my train horns.
The whistle's like,
Yeah, what
it's
kind of
wimpy,
train
man.
has
That's
a
like
whistle?
Thomas the Train.
Well, what does a train horn sound like?
It's loud as
All right.
it's
and a
all-
train whistle's not.
You ever
okay,
heard a
got
train
it.
come through?
I just kind of assumed that's the whistle.
No. Does
I thought
it
it's the
sound
same
like a
thing.
whistle?
Well, look, I don't
No,
know
it's
that, horns sound different too. So it's got a train horn.
Well-
Sorry, I stand corrected. Make sure we don't get that wrong.
Yeah. All right. So anyhow, this truck that I've had forever has a train horn in the bed of it, and it's awesome. You gotta run this air pump to pump it up to give it enough pressure to make its noise.
Top
It's
5
it's
redneck
a
things
big,
of all time.
Because it's a big release of air is all the train horn is. The new truck doesn't have that, but anyways,
Yet.
I go to the unveil of the 2019 in Texas, and this was a while ago.
Mhm.
They helicoptered this truck in
Mm-hmm.
for everybody to see. I had on display, they had a bunch of old Chevy trucks, and I had mine there. I had an S10 and I had a 48 pickup truck parked in this lot with about 150 other old trucks, and all the owners of those trucks were there. And everybody's watching this new Silverado come in and be dropped on the ground in front of all of us and drove up like a god.
Yeah, it came from the heavens.
Yeah,
It did.
yeah.
It emerged
Dropped
from.
down from
It
the
was as if it
clouds.
was, it was
And
delivered
Mike Davis's
from the Lord.
voice
Yeah,
This
true
pickup
blood.
truck
Here
came
comes
from the sky.
the Silverado.
The
emerges.
red-blooded hair.
The sky's opened.
Yeah. When I saw this truck,
It will be mine.
Yeah.
Yes, it will be
When
mine.
I saw this truck, I said to myself, I'm buying one. I'm getting one of these. It has the body character lines that I like. This is exactly what I felt like was missing from the previous models. This truck is a beautiful looking truck. I love the 4-door, full-size cab
Gotta have it.
with a short bed.
Yeah.
The ability to haul a good group of people in comfort in the back for me was important. So yeah, I ponied up and I went out to the dealership in Tallahassee and put an order in and bought a 19 Silverado. I could have gotten one for free from Chevrolet. I decided that I didn't want to do that. I want to own this truck. I'm going to keep this truck. It's my truck. And so I'm excited about it. I drove it today over here. I drive it everywhere.
A man in his truck, even a woman in her truck. It's your truck. I mean, there's something sacred about that.
connection.
It's the same thing as mine. And to be honest with you, I'm the same way. I got a full-size Silverado because I got kids. My kids, they don't need to be crammed in there.
Yep.
They got to have their space.
Yeah.
And now I'm jealous. The 2019 looks sharp.
Yeah, I've made up my mind that I'm slowing way down on my buying. I'm gonna pick up on my selling, and this truck's gonna be my mainstay. This truck's gonna be my daily.
Yeah.
People ask me all the time, "What do you drive every day?" Well, I got about 3 or 4 different cars I drive. Now I'm gonna tell them it's a truck. It's a Silverado. That's what I drive.
So you say you're going to sell the Big Red, huh?
The Big Red, I
big
want to
decision.
sell it. The Big Red has been sitting in my garage and in storage for a long, long time, and I've gotten it out a few times and drove it. I love it. It's big. It's obnoxious. I put a body kit on it to make it look like an off-road truck,
Okay.
and it's just
Are you going to take the horn from it before you
the
sell
horn,
it?
No.
leaving the horn.
Leaving the horn.
Yeah,
You're not putting it on the new red truck.
That truck doesn't represent you where you are in your life today. It
doesn't.
represents where you were in your life back
Yeah.
when you got it.
Sleeping baby and a horn doesn't like that. Don't mix.
I would love to put the train horn on the new truck, but
No.
Amy ain't gonna want to give up a third of the truck bed for this train horn. 'Cause
Oh, it's that big?
It's a big ass horn. It's loud as hell.